His hands were made of lightning, his fingers were the wind. They reached into my heart and made me love again. His touch was made for pleasure, so good it seemed a sin. Stroking my soul, keeping me home, till I gave myself to him. His hand, they never hit me sober. His hand, they never marked my face. I would rather be blind than see him treat me that way. I would rather be deaf than hear that sound. Like a pistol cracking as the spirit breaks, and love comes tumbling down. He learned it from his father and from his father's wife. He learned from the preacher who told her they were married for life. And if I'd had his children, they might have learned from me. I finally ran when I saw that his hands would sign and legacy. He said I've broken stallions, I've broken mares too. Given time and the right frame of mind, I swear I'll break you. So come on, pretty women, who think that you're too smart, and learn from one who loves